In this tutorial we're going to set up an optical effect using a filter. The footage has already been taken. Make sure it's loaded into your video editor, and I'm going to bring it down on our main track. Now if you watch this footage, this was taken disregarding the audio. Don't need the audio. And we have basically two parts that we want here. The first part is the pointing at the can, and the second part is the reaction when the can disappears. So we're going to do a quick rough edit on this. I drag down. As soon as he points, I'm going to make a cut, and then I'm going to drag down to where he reacts, right before the fingers open. I'm going to make a cut, and I'm going to get rid of what's in the middle. So now if we look at our project, basically the guy points at the can and it disappears. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in. And to make this easy, I need space for my effect. So once he points at the can, then I need to give time for him to hold it there for my effect to occur. So I'm going to extend the part where he points at the can. Let's see. So he's about pointing there and goes to there. That's fine. So I'm going to go back to the part where he just points, and I'm going to cut that. Now we're going to put our special effect on this middle clip because that will make it easier to apply the filter. You need to make sure you use a filter that has a location control point, and I'll show you what that means. I have the middle clip selected. I'm going to find my effects under FX, and for this example we're going to use lightning. So there's the lightning effect. If I drag it and drop it onto my middle clip, and then go up to options on the right. Now I'm in lightning and I want to customize the filter. Okay, under the customize you can see I've got a blue point here, I've got a crosshair, and I've got a green point all the way up here at the top. That's my position control. So I can grab the blue point and put it on the can, grab the green point and bring it down to where his finger is going to point. And we're just looking at this little piece of clip here. So if I play it, so that's my start position. So we're going to go down to the end key point and put these in the same position, and that will be my end position. Now I can play to see what it looks like. Okay, and then I can adjust as I like. So the key points, the start position, if you look in the preview, it's a big fat lightning bolt. You can take the glow down, you can take the frequency down, and under advanced you have additional controls. So you can change the color, the amplitude, the speed, the length. If you just want this one to start, you might make it really short and really light. And then on the second keyframe, this is what it's going to look like when it's done. So you might want to bump up the length, might want to bump up the amplitude a little bit. Back in basic, you might want to bring the glow back up. Too much. It just depends on how you want to set it, and then if you play it you'll get a preview of what it's going to look like. So you can adjust those as you like. Then you'll say OK, and back into the main screen. You can play this under project and see if it's the effect you want. Add a little sound effect, get rid of the background ambient noise, and render it and turn it in.